Everybody, hope y'all are doing well. Sorry for the delay in uploading videos. Just had to take a couple months to myself for a little bit, but we're back at it. And in this video, I wanted to go over my range bag essentials for what I take to the range. Now, I want to preface this is not an all inclusive list. You may find some things in here that maybe I missed that you like to take, and if so, leave those down in the comments below. It may give me a couple ideas of things that I need to add to this. But as far as myself and what I take to the range at this moment, the contents of that are in this bag. So to start out with the bag itself, we have the Savior Equipment range bag. This is the 42 inch. They start at 36, and I believe they go up to 55 inch. But I will leave the link to this bag as well as everything else that I talk about in this video in the description box below. I've had this bag for, I believe, going on about 3 years now, and I've used it quite a lot going to the range. But some of the things that I like about it are one, it's got multiple ways to carry it. You can either strap it up with this and be able to carry it just beside you, or if I turn it around, it's got two straps that you can carry it like a book bag. Which if I need to free up both my hands, I'll do that every once in a while. But normally I'm carrying it just by these straps right here. It's also got plenty of pockets. From my experience, it's got pockets for every single thing that I need to keep my stuff as organized as possible, the way that I like it. It's also got this MOLLE on each side right here, which you can see I have a gun cleaning kit. It's got the MOLLE to where I can attach things like that on it, as well as zipper pockets, and then all the front pockets and the internal compartments for my rifle, which I will show you in just a minute. So starting out, I'm going to work from my left to right, and then work furthest away from me in the smaller compartments and work my way back to the bigger compartments. So starting out, we have my Sharpie, which is used for marking targets, or if I need to write down some kind of dope or anything like that at the range, I'll be able to do that. Now in this next pocket, this is where I have my stapler, which is of course used to staple targets onto my target stands. So I always keep the stapler itself as well as a box of fresh staples. Moving next is my ear protection box or ear protection compartment. I always have electronic earmuffs, and then there's a lot of times I'll go to the range with other people, so I personally like to keep an extra set of foam earplugs. That way, if somebody forgets them or we're not expecting to have somebody that's maybe new or something like that, I'll be able to give these to them. Now, in the center compartment, I also keep another cleaning kit besides this one right here. This is specifically my rifle cleaning kit. This is the Otis cleaning kit. I have the larger one downstairs that I keep by my workbench, but this one is a portable one that I can just put exactly what I need into it and take it to the range with me. So I always keep the respective cleaning stuff that I need for my 223. If you want me to, I will dive deeper into this specific cleaning kit as well as the bigger section of the Otis cleaning kit that this originally comes in, and I can do a whole video on that and show you everything that's in that if you want me to. If you do want me to, leave it down in the comment box below. Now moving on is where most of the times I have my glasses on whenever I go to the range. However, there's sometimes I have my contacts in. So this is where I will keep an extra set of eye pro. I've got the dark lens for if I'm shooting during the daytime or if I'm doing night fire or anything like that. I can easily switch the lens on it. Now, like I said, I normally have my glasses on whenever I go to the range. If that is the case and I do have my glasses on, I always have these in here, and I can easily let somebody else use them if they do happen to need to. I'm a big proponent of if you can help somebody out, help them out. Especially when it comes to the range, there's a lot of new people getting out there, which I advocate for heavily. I always love to see new people getting out to the range. Now, where this is my rifle cleaning kit, this cleaning kit right here, it was a gift from my mother and father-in-law. This is just a strictly pistol cleaning kit, so it'll cover anything from 22 all the way up to 45 ACP. Same thing with the Otis cleaning kit. If you want me to dive deeper into this one, this is a more budget friendly one, which I can do a video or a short on if y'all want me to. If you have a gun that you take to the range, you shoot it a good bit, always have a cleaning kit with you. There's sometimes you'll be shooting, carbon will get built up, anything like that, and it'll start causing malfunctions, which a little bit of CLP and a little bit of scrubbing will fix right on the spot. Okay, now moving on. In this next compartment is where I like to keep some tape. I use the tape a lot of times for covering up bullet holes. If I don't feel like marking them or anything like that, and I just want to cover it up, tape is always really good for that. Now, there's two zipper compartments right here, one running horizontal, one running vertically, and I use these specifically for my magazines. I like to preload my magazines before I head out to the range. That way I know that I already have some loaded up. I don't have to worry about wasting time to get everything loaded up. And then as well as I like to keep some unloaded as well as some loaded AR-15 magazines. I like to keep a pretty good bit in here just to make sure I have enough. But I'll keep some empty ones also if I want to run like some one reload ones or something like that. I can just strip one out of the magazine that's full and run the drill. Now that covers that. I did forget in the zipper pouch right here. I won't pull it out, but I like to keep paperwork that I need. For these two pockets right here, I don't normally keep anything in there. I just haven't really found anything that I need to put these in. But if I do ever need them, if I find something that I can put in here to keep it organized, I've always got these two as extra slots. So we're gonna zip these back up, and then we will get into the main compartment. So this bag right here, the Save Your Equipment bag, is a double rifle bag. I normally only keep one rifle with me at a time when I'm shooting. Sometimes I may take another one of mine, or if somebody else is going shooting with me, I'll take theirs and throw it in here too. But this one I keep open, and then if I flip this one right here, you can see that I have my AR right there, and this is where I always keep mine. This bag is good on kind of the fact that I can take these straps right here and I can easily Velcro it down to where if I pick it up and carry it like I normally do, this rifle is not going anywhere. Now, like I said, this is not an all-inclusive list. As you can see, I like to keep it pretty basic whenever I go to the range. And then on top of these magazines, I will take ammo cans of extra magazines. But for the purposes of this video being range bag essentials, that's not really part of my bag per se. If there is something that you take to the range that maybe I don't have, or something that I have that maybe you want to add to your kit and everything, please leave that down in the comment box below, especially if you want to add something that you think that I should take. I always love hearing stuff from y'all and being able to see what I can add to my stuff to make my range day a little bit easier, more efficient, and just more enjoyable overall. If you want to see anything more in depth on anything in this video, or would like to see where you can purchase some of this stuff, I will leave links to everything that I can possibly find from this video in the description box below to where y'all can go find that. If there's anything else that y'all want to see video-wise, please let me know down in the comment box below, and I will surely look at it and see what we can do about it. I have nothing else for y'all. I hope y'all have a very blessed rest of y'all's day. Remember, I love you. God loves you. See you in the next video.